We start by charring the chilies in a pan or over an open flame. After charring, you cover and let steam. Steam will loosen the skin, so you can remove easily. With a hand mixer, you beat the egg whites until you have slight stiff peaks and it's well blended. You'll take each chili and make a slit and remove the insides. Then you will start filling each chili with whatever filling mix you want. I use shredded carnitas, some shredded cheese, cilantro, onion. You'll continue that process with all the other peppers.
Imagine waking up to find that your town is in chaos. Maybe it's a natural disaster, or maybe the streets have become dangerous overnight. You take one hard look at the situation and realize you can't stay home any longer. You have to leave. For a lot of people, that's where the plan stops. Grab a bag, head out, survive in the wild. In reality, bugging out is harder than it sounds, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about here. Before we dive into the heart of it, I have a quick favor to ask. If you're interested in staying prepared and want to dig deeper into survival topics, subscribe to this channel, drop a like on this video, and definitely check out the tagged products listed here. Those items are carefully chosen to support your bug out plans and keep you ready for the unexpected. Now let's get to the reasons why bugging out isn't as simple as grabbing a bag and hitting the road. Most of us like to imagine ourselves as action heroes springing into motion at the first sign of trouble. But effective bug-out planning starts long before you sense any real danger. It begins with understanding exactly why you leave home and under which circumstances you'd stay. The reasons vary. For some, it's an approaching hurricane. For others, it's civil unrest. And sometimes it's some people go a step further. Know somewhere you might do, gather water, or find a hidden spot to rest. Consider how different seasons change here. A route through the mountains might be fine in summer, but lethal in the winter. Or maybe a rural dirt road that turns into a mud pit during rainy months. Having layers of options allows you to pivot if you realize your initial path is blocked or unsafe. Navigation also is about technology.
Make sure you have your flour set up in a dish. Then you'll mix your egg yolks into your egg whites. Blend it until it's blended very well. turn on your heat with your pan and oil inside.
Welcome back. It was a case that's, of course, garnered national attention. Lyle and Eric Menendez still trying to get out of prison. There's a hearing this week where the District Attorney of Los Angeles County will ask a judge to withdraw the request from the...
Roll each pepper in the flour, then into the egg mixture.
Joining us is the District Attorney of Los Angeles County, Nathan Hochman. So, Mr. DA, thanks for taking the time. Clarify this for us. You're asking the court to withdraw the previous DA's motion because you essentially are not interested, don't believe that Lyle and Eric Menendez should be sentenced. We're set to be in front of my...
And then into the hot oil. Cook until all are slightly browned. And you have a crisp texture on the outside. When I plated mine, I put some green enchilada sauce on each one and topped with some more onions and avocado. I also topped with a little bit of extra cheese and cilantro. And enjoy.
It's good. Mm-hmm.